Hello students, in transition metals we have studied salts of transition metals are colored because they have partially filled d subshell and undergo dd transitions. Dd transition it is possible from d1 to up to d9 configuration. Just like salts of copper 2, copper sulfate, salts are blue in color. d9 configuration, nickel 2 positive salts they are green. d8, cobalt 2 positive, d7 configuration and their salts are pink. But it's D10 or D0, then DD transition will not take place. They are white, just like scandium 3 positive, zinc 2 positive. These salts are white. They do not undergo DD transition. When visible light strikes on it, they absorb the energy from it and electron transfers from T2Z level to EZ level. It is called DD transition and the rest is emitted in the form of radiations. This phenomena is called DD transition. Now please, that's a question of J level. If a compound absorbs orange color from the white light, then the absorbed color of the compound is. What will be the absorbed color of the compound? It is given, it absorbs orange light. We have to mention absorbed color. Students, please, absorbed color and the color absorbed by the substance are called complementary colors. Suppose a substance absorbs wavelength corresponding to red light. A substance absorbs wavelength corresponding to red light. Then the absorbed color will be greenish blue. Because red and greenish blue, these are complementary colors. Students, how to answer these questions? It's very easy. Please try to understand. Make the color wheel. Only you have to make this color wheel. Vibgyor. Vibgyor. Violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Complementary color of blue is orange. Red is green or bluish green. Violet complementary is yellow. If it absorbs red, the absorbed color of the solution will be green. If it absorbs blue light, then absorbed color of the compound will be orange. That's your question. If a compound absorbs color from orange color from the white light, then the absorbed color will be, students, it absorbs orange color. What is the complementary to orange? It's blue. It means the right answer is blue. Color of the light absorbed by aqueous solution of copper sulfate is. That's the question in JEE last time. Color of the light absorbed by aqueous solution of copper sulfate is. We know copper sulfate salts, they are blue in color. Copper sulfate salts, they are blue in color. Now please, the complementary color to blue is orange. That's the option, orange red. We will easily take this. Only you have to make this color wheel. With your violet, blue, yellow, green, yellow, orange, red. And answer the complementary color. Now please try to solve this question. There's the transition metal compound absorbs yellow wavelength from the visible region of light. The absorbed color of the compound is red, green, blue, purple. Solve it and WhatsApp on this number. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.